Hello, this is Ariana Evie, and today I am presenting my business idea to you guys called Ariana's Resume, and I hope you enjoy this. So the main purpose of Ariana's resumes is, especially nowadays, with inflation going up and people are needing more steady jobs, we are in the great resignation as of right now. And I wanted to have a business that was going to appeal to people, something that people were going to need and something that they really would invest in. And so Ariana's resume is just all of those things into one. So the main purpose of Ariana's resumes is to grab the employer's attention. When you have a resume, usually within the first 10, 15, maybe 20 seconds, a employer looks into your resume and wants to make a decision on it. And I feel that when you have a resume, you want them to be tuned into what your experience is, who you are, because your resume is a reflection of you and just a little bit about your experience as an employee. We also want to give people a better chance at employment. So with a good resume comes great job opportunities, great job offers. And the resume is the beginning of that step for you to get that job that you would like. So of course, the resume is so super important because before they even talk to you or call you, they're looking at your resume and judging you from that resume. So that resume is very, very important. Of course, we're providing a source of resumes for people. We want people to have something that jumps out to employers. We want to provide a service that people are willing to pay, not just to take their money, but we want them to get those jobs and opportunities. And as well as our purpose, we want to help other people. At first, I never had a resume. I just would type in my information in and would hope for the best. And as I got into, the job force, I realized that a resume was so important because it was kind of like your personality on paper. So we want to give people just a great service and something that they can use to get those job offers. With our services, the resumes start at $25 and they go up to $45 for a charge, and that's per resume. The cover letter is an added fee, and based on how much experience you have and certifications, that charge can go up to a maximum of $45. Without just a basic resume, without a cover letter, it will start at $25. The cover letter is just an extension of the resume, a little bit about who you are, what your experience is, and what you're looking for. Something that makes us different than our competitors like Indeed, LinkedIn, is that you got one-on-one assistance with that person. So you're not just putting your information in and hoping that your resume is suited for other people. You're getting to talk to someone about your experience, what you want your resume to look like, and what do you feel like you can offer to that employer so that can be reflected on the resume. And that's what's the difference between us and the competition. Like I said, LinkedIn, Indeed are places where you can get a free resume. But I think sometimes paying just a little bit more for something sometimes goes a lot way because you're getting more quality for that service. Our marketing strategy is prices are based on what customer wants on the resume. So if you want a cover letter, like I said, our charges can go up to $45, a minimum of $25. But at the end of the day, we want customers to have a great experience. As far as promoting ourselves, the best way, especially in 2022, is of course putting something on social media. Social media, everybody's on it. You have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and so many people are on those platforms. And it's easy to connect with people that way. So we would do promotion on social media and flyers such as downtown, uptown, North Dallas, other cities in the suburbs. We would put flyers out in those parts of this metroplex as well to reach the word, and possibly even business cards. And then you want to give valuable experience. And what I mean by valuable experience is that we want customers to have such a good experience with us that when other people need resumes, they recommend us. people remember how you treated them. And I think that's very important in a business. And we need valuable experience to reach out to other people. You give good experience to someone, then they want to recommend you. Operation strategy. So our resumes are made with different templates that customers pick and choose. We do not choose them. The customer chooses what they feel would best fit them. Corrections will be made per the requested customer. So if there's something that's not added or they want to be added to the resume before we finalize and make the payment, then we will make those changes, send them a rough draft of those changes, and then obviously make sure everything's good and dandy with correction, grammar, spelling, making sure that that resume is 100% perfect. And we provide customer service email. I think email is the best way to reach people. So we would have a company email that people who want to send resumes can send emails to if they have any questions, comments, or concerns about resumes or getting one done, so that we can make sure that all requests are fulfilled. Human resource strategies. Employees would be trained. Obviously, we want to make sure our customers know the ins and outs of the business. As of right now, it is just me, Ariana, doing the resumes, but at a time where it is more of a spreading out and I'm having more business, I would like to add employees on that will be trained. Obviously, they will be paid hourly as well, but we want to make sure that employees are trained because your employees are a reflection of you. So we want to make sure that whatever we're teaching our employees, they're applying it to customers that we deal with. And obviously, we would train on the process, how the templates work, what we do for the resumes, questions that we would ask the customer, any questions or concerns that they may have, we will also have those fulfilled as well. And the best way I feel like to better our business is to evaluate based on surveys. So we will have a survey about the service they received, about their resume, and then a separate one about employees and how they were treated and what they thought of that employee. And I feel that that would be a best way to do, maybe such as a Q&A for that employee, so we can train our employee to be better and we can see what things we need to do to make our business better. And that is all for the presentation, and I really hope that you enjoy this.